Hi, today you're going to make your own Google site. If you come up to the menu here, you come down and you find Google Sites, and then what you will do is go to Create. As you can see, you'll have this page here. This is my portfolio, which I'll show you in a minute. You're going to make your own portfolio. So when you create your site, you start by choosing a template, and I believe yours will have the template that I've already chosen. You will name your site. We're going to name this one Student Portfolio. You can put your first name when you do it. You can select a theme. Down here, choose any theme that you would like. Let's choose, since we're doing ancient civilizations, let's do sand. Well, we're not doing only ancient civilizations, but all right, so that looks good. All kinds to choose from. And then come up here and create. While we're waiting for that one, we will look at mine. This was my portfolio, and as you see on the very first part is the home page. In the home page of yours, you will be putting your name and a little bit about yourself as an introduction. Then when you're done with that, you will come up here and add a page. So let's go back and look at your student portfolio, and here's yours. Hi, to edit, you come up here and you start editing. Hi, I am a student. I'm going, this will be my portfolio. And a little bit about yourself. When you're done, you click Save, and that's your home. You can also upload pictures, you can upload videos, anything like that. When you're done, you're going to create another page. We'll rename your page Social Studies, because you'll need to do that. We'll do some of this in class too, so that we'll be doing it all together, creating our own pages. When we're done, we create it. And this is our social studies page. So for your social studies page, when you are finding out what we're going to be putting onto it, we'll look at mine as an example. In social studies, I gave a general review of what we're going to be studying. You might put on yours these things as well. Grapes, Minoan, Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, and Rome. These are the things that I'll be studying this year, you might say. You could also title this Social Studies 2016-2017. The next page that I will do is this one. So on yours, when you add another page, we'll save it. Then when we add another page this time, because it's on social studies, we're going to put it under social studies. And this next page will be grapes. So as you can see, grapes is right under social studies. Grapes will be our first assignment. And on my website, I've put down what the assignments are. As you can see, you'll copy this picture. You'll probably save it to your computer and then upload it onto yours. Because the first assignment says that you are to copy the image of civilization into your grapes page, complete the following document, then upload it to your grapes page. Then what I did for the document was I added a link. To add a link, you would use this button right here. And then you call it something, as I called it Civilization Organizer, and then when you click on it, it will bring you to the paper that you need. In this case, it's a Civilization Organizer here. Your first assignment will be after we've read Westlandia. You'll be and talked about what the criteria, what the items of grapes are, how that criteria fits for the book Westlandia that we read. So that'll be your first assignment. When you are finished with that, you're going to upload that organizer into your portfolio. So you can do that by adding files down here. And then you have to answer a question about it. And the question is, how does the story of Westlandia and this assignment help you better understand the GRAPES criteria? Now, I've noticed that I need to fix something, so I can always edit my page and change that into a question mark. You'll be able to do the same for yours. So if you don't like how your page is or we need to make changes on it, we'll be able to do that. So in addition, I will probably be having you upload some of these documents into Google Classroom for me. But this will be for your site and your portfolio. This portfolio is one that you will be able to show other teachers. You will be able to incorporate a page for English, for math, that will show your work on it. Under social studies, we are going to do GRAPES. We are also going to do a geography page, and this is over here, subpages for the GRAPES. We're going to go through each letter, G-R-A-P-E-S, and G stands for geography, and each letter will get its own page and will have its own assignment on it. And here is the assignment that I put for geography. We'll talk more about it when you see it, but if you notice, I've uploaded a document, and this document is an example of one of the assignments that you'll be doing. So I won't spend a lot of time on that because you'll get to see it after. But that's what I did, was an example for you. So that is basically how you do start your portfolio. And hopefully it will be a positive thing for you this year. And you'll be able to show myself, your other teachers, our principal, as well as your parents. That's one of the things we're going to be doing, is showing your parents during parent-teacher conferences some of the things you've been working on. So good luck.